Hi there, welcome back to Storm Streams. This is report number 7. Location is Somerville, South Carolina. It's Tuesday, August 10th today, 2021, and it's 4:38 p.m., almost 4:39 p.m. Today, the severe weather risk is pretty high, enhanced risk for Wisconsin and Illinois, that same area that's gotten a lot of tornadoes in the last month, so there's already been some today. We'll look at that. Excessive rainfall risk. There's a slight chance for Illinois and marginal other places, but not near where I am. Watches and warnings. There are this orange right here. They don't make that very clear. I don't think that would be severe thunderstorm warning that much. I'll click on it to see. Heat advisory, yeah, even though it doesn't show it on there. So there's a lot of heat advisories right now. None, well, there's one in that county right there in South Carolina, but not in my county. If you see right here, there is a tropical storm warning already here, and it's getting close to Florida because there are going to be there's probably going to be a tropical storm. Like I was saying yesterday, I don't think it's formed yet. But then we have our reports for today. We've had 18 tornadoes already today, mostly in Illinois, even one in North Dakota and one in Wisconsin, 2 in Wisconsin. And hopefully they didn't do anything bad, but they probably did. But hopefully everyone was okay. But the weather's been just sunny today in South Carolina, no thunderstorms or anything. Now we have, let me update this. So still there's a tropical depression, but not a tropical storm yet. And it's just still tropical depression 6, but it has a 90% chance of forming in the next 48 hours. So it probably will. That's very high, the highest chance that there can be until it is a storm. Then we still have this disturbance over here that probably won't do anything because it's 10% chance. But this, we can look on here what could happen with this. What are all these models showing? Most of them, about half of them actually don't say that it's going to be a tropical storm, which is kind of surprising since it's 90%. Well, actually, that's not true. At least in the next 48 hours. All but 4 or 3 won't become a tropical storm. But some take a long time to get there, but there's about half of them that think that it will become a tropical storm soon. But most of them that do say that will happen think that it will just be a tropical storm. But then there are 3 that say that it could be a hurricane, 2 that think maybe it could be a category 1, and then there's this one that's NNIC that thinks that it could be a category 4. So that would be very crazy. But I have to say that I don't think that will happen because it looks like it's getting too close to land for that to happen, but you never know. But I would say that I'm almost positive that it will be a tropical storm. Tropical Storm Fred is what it'd be called. And then possibly it could become category 1 hurricane, but I don't think that it would be any higher than that unless there's a significant change. But we can also look at where it would be headed. We see what it looks like right now. It's okay. I don't know what's wrong with this thing. but it looks like that it's near what is that, the Dominican Republic, and or no, Puerto Rico, but Dominican Republic and Haiti is getting close to that. So it's out in the Caribbean still, but it looks like that this thing says that it will be a storm. It will become a storm soon, but then go back down to a depression and then become a storm again. So why it would become a depression is maybe because it gets downgraded from going over land, but then it still is able to go right here and strengthen a little bit more, and it might end up going towards Florida, but more to the west side of it. Then we see some spaghetti models. Well, we can look at these ones. Right now, it's showing, like I said, that it would go to West Florida, and it would either make landfall in the Panhandle or right at the bottom, but then maybe it would go off and then eventually make landfall again on the Panhandle. But it would mostly just go through Alabama and Georgia, and probably by the time it gets to like South Carolina, be dead pretty much, I guess. And then we can see the GEPS track model ensemble that is showing right here on the scale, but that's what we can expect. So that'll be it for this video. On the next report, we probably will have a tropical storm Fred, and we can see what it does. That'll be it.